Here it is, the all-new 2023 Civic Type R. As you can see, it's based on the new Civic 5-door hatchback, but it's longer, lower, and wider. It still has an aggressive stance, and it's immediately identifiable as a Type R. But you should know, every change to the exterior was done to improve performance. See here up front, with the new hood, along with functional side air vents, coupled with this huge opening at the front of the front fascia, provides plenty of cooling to the engine when running hard at the track. You'll notice, as we move down the side of the Type R, that the front and rear fenders have been widened. We've also added more defined side sills. They look cool, but more importantly, these changes improve airflow while providing more room to accommodate Type R's massive 265/30 R19 tires, which are now Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. They've grown 20 millimeters in width from the previous Type R. So a wider track and wider tires mean even better handling. By changing to 19-inch wheels, the Type R improves its cornering capabilities while providing a remarkably comfortable ride. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, what really makes the Type R immediately identifiable is this beautifully designed pedestal-mounted rear spoiler that's fully functional, just like the rear diffuser seen here below. Together, they provide even more downforce than the previous gen. Civic Type R has a new look to its signature 3-outlet exhaust system and has been redesigned for less back pressure, which means more power and improved response. Plus, it's got an amazing growl when you really get on it. And of course, on the front and back of the vehicle, you'll find the signature red H badge, which is exclusive to the Type R. From every angle, the Type R has a refined design, but that doesn't mean that it's any less fun to drive. On the contrary, as you'll learn in the other segments, this all-new Civic Type R was built to be driven, and driven hard.